I think dollar for dollar, MEP does more to generate jobs and help the economy than anything else that we can do.
Cost is a very big thing in this environment right now, and so we've used MEP so that we can compete with our international competitors.
The nice thing about the MEP programs is they're very practical. They can bring in at a reasonable cost to the manufacturers help that they need in a multitude of services.
How do you figure out how to do something if you don't know how to do it? That's where I turn to the MEP.
They bring experts in and they see what the problems are, and the changes that they make are just unbelievable. And it's not brain surgery, it's just really basic things that business managers such as myself don't have time to get into or to understand because of the load that's on us.
They have been instrumental in helping us retain jobs. We've improved our productivity over 20%, and very honestly, had it not been for the help of the local MEP, we would have been closed.
About 2 years ago, we were struggling to make money. We were losing actually quite a bit of money, and bringing them on has made a huge difference. We've actually had an increase in hires.
Because of their efforts, because of what they've taught us to do, we've added an additional 40 jobs.
I think manufacturing is a great source of jobs for the middle class.
We need to be able to supply jobs for people right out of high school. Not everybody wants to go to college. Manufacturing provides an opportunity for our middle class to be successful in life.
Manufacturing is the base, it's the engine that drives the economy. It drives jobs, and factory floor jobs can be really good jobs, and so those people then can go out and buy products and services, and so it just keeps the economy rolling.
Manufacturing is the source of innovation. It's a source of new product development. It's a source of economic power.
I think it's very important that we can maintain that source of manufacturing domestically in the United States.
If all you're doing is selling services, then you're having to buy your products from overseas. And as we're trying to get away from foreign dependence on all kinds of things, I just don't think you can do without the manufacturing base.
Manufacturing is so relevant and provides a foundation for us to springboard from for everything else that we do.
I'm not going to say that manufacturing will fall on its knees without the MEP program. I'll just say that they've had an impact of billions of dollars in total revenue. The federal government's share of that was significant. It's a good payoff.
And the government's not funding this whole thing. With MEP, it's based three different ways. It's based with just a little bit of federal funding, state funding, and then the individual companies have to throw money into it too.
It is up to the manufacturers themselves to be able to make the determination that they need these services, but what it did, in fact, was make us better, and we grew dramatically and grew jobs dramatically.
With a company as small as ours, 50 employees, we have to go out and get the best deal for our dollar also. And the MEP was the best deal. In fact, we've used them for several years now because the return on our investment has been so good.
It's been a really big success story for us, and we're real pleased.
MEP is the very best way to create jobs in the United States and do it for the least amount of money, the most bang for the buck.